Hello friends, so today we'll learn important question from the bio portion. So question number 1, which of the following is the largest part of the human brain? So it is cerebrum. Option number B, cerebrum is the largest and most significant part of the human brain. It is responsible for high functions such as thought, memory and voluntary action. Cerebellum, while important for coordination and balance, it is smaller in size as compared to the cerebrum. Midbrain, it forms the brainstem and also involved in the vision, hearing and motor control. It is quite smaller in size. Medulla oblongata, it controls the involuntary functions such as breathing, heartbeat, etc. Next is, in mammals the skin perform all the following function except. So option number A, mammalian skin does not involve in respiratory function. It perform all the three options like produces vitamin D and sensory function and thermoregulatory function. Next is the functional unit of the kidneys. So it is nephron. Option number B is the right one. Neuron is functional unit of brain, whereas glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, all these belong to the kidneys. So option number B was the right one. The hormone responsible for regulating the blood calcium and phosphate level is parathormone. Option number C. Next question is, which of the following vitamin is water soluble? So option number D, that is vitamin B complex. It is a water soluble along with vitamin C, whereas vitamin A, D, E and K, A, D, K, these are fat soluble vitamins. Next is, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? So nitrogen. Option number C, it is not a greenhouse gas. The organelle responsible for cellular respiration is mitochondria. Option number C. They are the powerhouse because they involved in the production of ATP, that is energy currency of the cell. ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Ribosomes, they helps in protein synthesis, whereas Golgi body, they are involved in modification and storage and packing of proteins, while lysosome, they contain digestive enzymes and helps in breaking down of waste material. They are also called digestive bags or suicidal bags of the cell. Next one is, the enzyme involved in the digestion of protein in the stomach is pepsin. Option number C. So pepsin enzyme break down protein into smaller peptide in the stomach and is activated from its precursor pepsinogen by the acidic environment. Amylases break down the carbohydrates. Lipase, they break down the fats, whereas maltases, they break down maltose into glucose. The pigment responsible for the red color of the blood is hemoglobin. Option number B. The hardest substance in the body is enamel of tooth. Option number B is the right one. Next one is the blood group known as the universal donor. So it is O blood group, particularly O negative blood group. It is considered as universal donor because it lacks AB and Rh antigen, making it compatible with all the other blood groups. AB blood group is universal recipient. So option number D is the right answer. The disease caused by deficiency of iodine is goiter. Option number B. The function of production of fiber and matrix in the body is performed by which of the following cell types? So it is fibroblast. Option number D. Adipose cells are involved in storage of fats. Mast cell, they helps in allergic reaction, whereas plasma cell, they involved in the antibodies production. Next question, which of the following constrict or dilates the walls of blood vessels in the body? So option number B, that is histamine. It causes the vasodilation, means widening of the blood vessels, which increases the blood flow and permeability. Heparin, this is an anticoagulant which prevent the blood clotting, and it is not related to the dilation and constriction of the blood vessels. Which of the following specialized branch of science is concerned with the study of the microscopic structure of the tissues and organs? So it is histology. Option number B. Cytology, it is study of the cell, whereas macroecology, it deals with the study pattern of the ecosystem and species distribution. Next is vomiting of content of stomach and the upper intestinal tract is a complex reflex coordinated by the vomiting center in the medulla of the brain, option number A. So medulla oblongata controls the vomiting reflexes. A nerve impulse crosses the synapse by a release of the neurotransmitter like acetylcholine. Option number C is the right one. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? So option number C, that is secretion of the insulin. It is not performed by the liver. Next is the pigment that gives skin its color is melanin. Option number B. Melanin is produced by the melanocyte in the skin. It determines the skin color and provide protection against the UV rays. Which organ is responsible for producing insulin? So it is pancreas. Option number C. The digestion of protein starts in the stomach. Option number B. The main function of the large intestine is to absorb water and salt. Option number B. Blood sugar is the amount of dash in circulating blood. So it is glucose. Glucose is known as blood sugar. The skin of which of the following function as site of cutaneous respiration? So amphibians like frog. Option number A. Their skin helps in respiration. The tongue in the mammal is attached to the floor of the buccal cavity by the frenulum. Option number A. The longest muscle in the human body is sartorius. Option number A is the right one. Which muscles raises the arm, or muscle that raises the arm is deltoid. Option number A. Deltoid muscle located on the shoulder is responsible for raising the arm. It also enables movement like abduction, flexion and extension. The enzyme that converts starch into sugar is amylase. Option number B. The blood vessel that carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart is pulmonary vein. Option number B. The deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Option number C, which leads to swelling of gums, joint pain and bleeding under the skin. The organ that stores bile is liver, produces bile, whereas gallbladder stores it. So option number B is the right one. Gallbladder stores bile. The nerve endings in the skin carry the sensation of pain, touch, cold. All of these. Option number D is the right one. Who among the following introduced the term meiosis and described the splitting of chromosome for the first time? So these were Farmer and Moore. Option number D. Which of the following vitamin promotes healthy functioning of the eyes? So vitamin A is very important or essential for the good vision. Who among the following described that protoplasm is a physical basis of life? So actually option number A. What role is played by the layers of dead cells of stratum corneum in the body? So stratum corneum is the layer of dead cell which helps in the protection. Option number A.